Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ardhy Ikhwan Manaf, and today we're going to talk about if statement, nest if statement, and arrays. Let's start with the if statement. This fundamental control structure allows us to execute a block of code only when specific condition is true. In this code, the program checks if x is greater than 5. Since it is, the message x is greater than 5 will be printed to the console. If x were less than or equal to 5, nothing will happen. In logarithm, we can visualize as diamond shape, represent decision point. If the condition is true, it leads to one path. If false, it leads to another. Now let's discuss nest if statement. The features allow us to create condition with condition adding complexity to our decision making progress. We first check if x is greater than 5. If that condition is true, we then check if x is also less than 15. If both conditions are satisfied, the program print x is between 5 and 15. In logarithm, this will be represented by nest diamond shape, indicating that the second condition only applies if the first condition is true. This allows us more details branching in your logic. To further illustrate, let's consider practical apply if nest statement. We first check if its score is 19 or above to assign A. If not, we check for B, 18 or above, then C, 70 or above. And if none of these are met, the grade is F. This allows us for clear grading structure. In logarithm, use C-series nest decision that allow program to evaluate multiple conditions sequentially. Now let's introduce arrays. Arrays are powerful data structure that allow us to store multiple values in a single variable. They hold data of the same type and can be accessed using an index. We declare an array name number that holds 5 integers. You can access each element using its index. Number 0 to give us 1, number 1 to give us 2, number 1 give us 2, and so on. Logarithm represent arrays as a single variable that point to multiple value, allowing us to visualize how data is stored and accessed. Now let's visualize array in logarithm. To represent an array, you can use a single variable symbol and show the value stored at each index. For example, if we store the number 1 through 5, you would illustrate a variable called number, pointing to those 5 values. You can also show how iterate through the array using loops. Each iteration represents accessing each value in the array. Make it clear how array functions with your program. In conclusion, today we discuss if statement of conditional logic, nest if statement for complex decision and making, an array for storing and managing multiple value. Understanding this concept is essential of effective program in C++. And visualizing them in logarithm will change your comprehension. Thank you for watching and happy coding, and that's for me, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.